social distancing? Well, aside from my own experience of social distancing, well, last night, I've ever seen before in my life, so the social distancing. I buy something in the groceries. No, not grocery. It's a pharmacy. Yes. Then I've seen there a very long distance. Long line with 1 liter distance. Yes. And so what is that rule? The girl said, it is 1 liter distance far away. Hi everything! How are you to find out? Are you feeling right now? Well, there's a question for me about insurance. Yes, what is insurance? Well, for me, insurance is the most functionable financial thing that saves the world, so many people around the world. Yes, if you don't have insurance, you are in dangerosity. And if you have insurance, you are safety. For me, of COVID-19, it is a kind of virus which is dangerosity. Dangerosity, yes. If COVID, the virus is a most functional virus in the world that we face today. Even a functional disaster and most valuable disaster in the world is considered as ourselves. That is COVID-19. Because it's called 19 because the virus age is 19 years old.
I believe, ladies and gentlemen, the one that I repeat is namely same-sex marriage. Well, for me, ladies and gentlemen, before I answer the question, I would like to say to you that I am not intelligent. I am not acknowledgement. And I am not a pig. But this question, I answer it from my heart. Well, same-sex marriage for me is that I agree with same-sex marriage. But who will be people who around us are discriminating us? They are judged like a judgment. They judge what in our society is within the LGBT community. For me is that Tagalogin ko na lang para family, oh my God. Well, sige, Bisaya na lang. The same-sex marriage is at para sa akin ang same-sex marriage ay napakasarap. Kasi muna ako, ladies and gentlemen. Napakasarap para sa mga LGBT community. Because we follow our heart. We follow what is the heart says for me. And that heart could not grow and foster. our own silver lining.
I can say people in the world should know our beautiful appearance. And the word has begun to our life, but people don't know my duty and responsibility. During that, and I can say that I'm being this kind of consideration. I am so very gorgeous and functional disaster. And people can judge me, and no one can rechange me. Thank you so much.